This is Novo 23 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. It's MTN 8. First leg semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Shapo leader Ngobo.
Sharp, thanks. First time we kopana Loena outside Pretoria. Welcome to Esgudi.
Yeah, ke fostile ebile na ke se Shapo physically mar I had hore ke tle le nna ke to offer support ya ka to the boys so but nonetheless re fitlhile mo Esgoding and according to expectation ya ma Pirate remember this is home ground for them and home ground kam khoba bolela mbarke it's a slaughterhouse.
Exactly.
Yeah. Let's go deep in the game, Leader Ngobo. We brought a really plan today.
Yeah.
Playing arena we overload the middle field because of both Pirates and Sundowns are the ball playing teams.
Yeah.
We are both ball playing teams.
Yeah.
So we control the game from first half. Alende Mukwena Zwane. Unfortunately, it was a false sub in terms of injury high.
Yeah.
Sometimes the AG in the Kripalwena or the knock or the injury they are apparent.
Exactly. Yeah.
But after Zwanas notes we went down Nunyana ka fluidity rate. Nars clearly fluent from the time they're controlling the game.
Yeah, before
I think maybe I like Adams. Still young.
Yeah.
Sometimes kina nor game tse dina lo mo imela hanya. Dina lo hu imela hanya but remember you learn more gaming tse di tshwanang.
Exactly, yeah.
You learn more gaming tse di tshwanang. Now for me in my opinion because I had Mdonyela fit like a glove. He reminded us Kamudao and he's still young.
Yeah.
From the word go, remember Pirates were playing kind of a counter attack and they were using pace right. They might score from that particular side, which they did score on that side.
Late,
For Pirate caliber, they didn't play well. Yeah, last 10 minutes of the game, it's when we rebounding Pirate, when they introduced Mbuli, police. But Mbuli again, I long overfeel a little bit of control momentarily. Whereby renewed disadvantage with Sales Ahobala, Matthews Ahobala. So all the subs are it's all the first subs.
Exactly. From Zwane to Sales.
So but nonetheless I am proud of the boys. I don't regret even though I'm flunya. I don't regret to take a pay for.
Exactly.
What I've seen here, it's a work in progress. Remember, we are a working in progress.
Exactly.
I think Pirate supporters must not buy ready excuse because of Coach Aroba File into Babanyaka. Mbata was there.
Fanron
was there. Makupa was there.
Exactly.
So those are the players over the past 3 games they were complaining about. Middle field of the season I think is injured if I'm not mistaken. Makaul. But when you are a team, you must have depth. Relying on one player, you'll have a problem.
Not on exactly.
For now, we still kind of missing Ribeiro, but we're moving away. You see, even Sales, he's raising his hand.
Yeah.
He's raising his hand for he's
Big
going
time,
to he wants to carry the sheep. But little by little. We see why that money in investing over Barigabang Sales. Why what the main reason for that?
Exactly.
But we don't want to put pressure on him. Slowly by slowly, I hope injury ya Sales I say a holo. I hope injury ya Zwane get something say long or kono work speed. Even Matthews. So I just wish we need everyone.
Exactly.
Nonetheless, as I said, my man of the match was China.
And he played well.
China
goalkeeper of the season.
China kept Pirate mo gaming today. Like the safety high. How was marvelous. Jealous I nyake.
Jealous down. Yeah.
Jealous I nyake. Now I predicted 1-0 actually. So
1-0 to you.
yeah.
Oh yeah, Esa never.
I predicted 1-0.
By about Kawati.
Yeah, it's a pity. Rowan Usli utelletse ha tshwantse a
Exactly,
tso,
yeah.
but game is all about that.
Exactly.
Mistakes. Another
They
capitalize.
Exactly, yeah.
And le calculation ya Lunga from that cross. I think Lunga was supposed to deal better with that cross. Wa understand ngarabang.
Yeah.
He switches off kanyani there. Wa understand ngarabang. He was the one who's supposed to deal with that cross. Hey, but nonetheless, Sundowns players, they done well. They were away. It's 1-1.
Yeah.
Pirate is a big team. Let's go on.
Perfect.
Thank you very
All
much.
the best. Epitur.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.